Tengo que contarles algo. I have to tell you guys something. I fell the other day and it hurt. I mean, really hurt. You can see, well, you can't see because I'm wearing pants, because in Ecuador, everybody wears pants. They don't wear shorts, even though it's beautiful here. I don't get it. But here, I have my Insta360. This is the camera that I take whenever I go running, do adventure sports, anything like that, because it connects right here to my DJI mic. So I can put my mic here with this and with my main camera, and the audio sounds the same, which is awesome. But when I fell, the thing is, like, I really fell, and it scratched both sides of the lens here on my Insta360. It also made this little, like a little dent here on it. And unfortunately, well, fortunately, I have this. It's a replacement kit. I've seen this in lots of videos. This video is not sponsored. I wish it were, Insta360, but this one is not. And I have this because I figured this would happen, because every time you take an Insta360 camera out, you're pretty much at risk of breaking the lenses, which is why I got the X5, because the X5 you can replace the lenses with. The other ones, you just had to have this like little filler lens on top, which wasn't great. So we're gonna try this out. This is like a real world example of how to do this, because it actually happened to me. Do you see all those YouTube videos of people who are putting these things on because they actually wanted to break them? They're like hitting them against stuff or taking a machine against them and breaking the lenses. That's not cool. This is actually something that accidentally happened to me, and I can feel it today. All right, so we've got a removable tool, a brush, cleaning wipes, lens cloth, gloves. I did break both sides, so I'm hoping that there are two of these lenses in here, but I don't think so. I think there's only one lens in here. All right, so you take it off with this. I think that these are like $30 for a new lens, so I have to get a whole nother one, and it's so hard to get them here in Ecuador. Let's see if I can figure this out. Okay. So, all right, this came off easily. Okay. That came off simple, no problem. You put it on there perfectly like that. You screw it on, and voila, easy. So simple. Thing is, like, Insta360, I think, is the camera for Latin America. If you don't own a camera and you just want something that's not super expensive but is versatile, you're able to bring it anywhere, I would bring the Insta360 X5, because I think that this low light is so much better than the X4. I've had it before, the X4, and then I changed to the X5, and the X5 is just so awesome because you can use it at night, you can use it going into restaurants or different places, and you can capture the moment that you have. I think of like, if you want to capture an engagement or something like that, you just set this up, you don't even see it, and then you do your proposal, and boom, you've got Insta360 footage that'll last a lifetime. It's pretty cool. The quality is super good when I'm running or when I'm going outside doing adventure sports like, I don't know, mountain biking, which I do all the time. I think that's absolutely incredible. And Insta360 to me is the best 360 camera. It also has some action cameras that are not 360 that are really good. The Ace Pro 2 I really like, and I bring it all over the place just in case I need it. This I stick out the window sometimes when somebody else is driving down a dirt road or nobody is there, and I'll like use this extender and throw it out there. It's really nice because the extender you can't even see. So in the United States, where drones are almost illegal, maybe they are illegal actually right now, I never bring one there because it's pointless, you can't fly it anywhere. I just use this thing and I'll throw it way up behind me and it'll track me, and it'll use AI to get rid of this stick here, which is pretty incredible. So if you're in the market for a new camera, I think I would recommend this 360 camera. It's pretty incredible. Anyways, This is a quick video just sharing. I crashed. I am actually okay. And if you're looking for a camera to take with you on your next adventure, highly, highly, highly recommend taking an Insta360. Their products are incredible. And well, now I just need one more lens, unfortunately. What a bummer. Anyways, hope you enjoyed this video for today. If you did, like, subscribe, hit the bell button, and we'll be back exploring Latin America with at least one lens for the Insta360 camera. And we'll see you guys in the next video. But for now, ciao, Pascal.